Can you see that? So can you see this? This will ask for a pen. But if I look at it, I don't need to do a pen. Sometimes. So sometimes it does. Yeah, it just unlocked all by itself because it knows my face. Glossary. So this is the glossary.
What is a denominator?
Bottom number of a fraction including how many parts make a whole.
Indicating how many parts make a whole. So,
In the,
if you want to describe it in simple words, how would you tell me what is a denominator?
it's like a bottom number that so you just count all of the pieces and you write it in the bottom number.
Perfect. Yes. Difference is the result when two numbers are subtracted. Divisor. The number after the division sign in the division problem. 12 divided by 7, or the bottom number of a fraction, the number outside the division house. The divisor is the number that divides. For example, 12 divided by 7. So 7 is the divisor. Okay?
Okay.
And what
Okay.
is equivalent fraction? What is that?
Because found by multiplying the numerators and the denominators by the same number.
Yeah. Can you tell me an equivalent fraction of 5 over 4?
I know.
Um,
Oh
5.
wait.
Hmm?
Wait. Yeah, I know.
Yes. So you multiply this fraction by 5.
I learned how to draw an octagon.
Oh. What is a factor?
Factor numbers equal to or less than a given number that divides the number evenly. For example, the factors 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12.
So if I ask you, tell me a factor of 32.
Yeah, this is easy. 16, 8, and 4, and 2, and 1,
And 32 itself.
32, and 32 is right here.
Yeah. Yeah. So we will read it like 3/5. If I write 4 over 8, how would we read it? 4/8.
4, 8.
Do you understand how we read the denominator?
Yeah, like you add like an S.
Tell me how do we read this one?
Which one? 3/7.
Very good. And
Why
what
is
are
that the
fractions? Fractions are numbers
what is this
that
dog doing? What is this dog doing?
which dog?
What are you doing?
So fractions are numbers that are telling us about parts of one whole thing. If I have a whole cake and if I
Okay.
cut it into pieces, so this whole cake will be written as fraction and that would be 4 out of 4. If somebody eats one piece, it would be 3 out of 4. If somebody ate half of it, it would be 1 half, or you can also call it 2 out of 4.
Is this a better oh, what is it called? A half? I mean quarter.
Quarter is 1 over 4, 1/4.
Look, look at my things. Now, can I just keep on adding? Like see what how long will it take? Then I
Yeah,
mean it's not how long, like what will it turn into?
yeah.
It's getting super big. Look at this. It'll be even more smaller if you do 50. But this is a bit too small that I can't even. This is a bit too small that I don't even know what I'm drawing. Just go straight. How much even is this?
I don't know.
1 million. One,
No.
two, three, four, five, six. I can't count. Or I can count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38.
Hmm. But they are not all equal.
Yeah.
Okay, let us look at fraction bar. You have already seen what is a fraction bar in the worksheet that we were doing yesterday. Do you remember it?
Action what?
Fraction bar. It looks like this, a bar with equal pieces, equal parts. And then if I say fill half of the fraction bar, you
And
will,
then I will do this. I will do this. Wanna see? Me will do not pink. This color. Me will do this, but it's not letting me to draw in this area, so yeah. Or I can just color it for them. Like that, I'll do that, but it's not, well, I will do more than that.
yeah, so this is half of it, half of the bar. So this is what we are calling fraction bar.
Yeah, I'm just wondering, okay, can you repeat annotation? I want to make this screen more like this. I like the screen like this. Actually, not this color. I want the screen to be this color. Can the screen be this color?
This white color?
Yeah. Wait, where will I be clicking? I will be click. I can't even click anywhere then.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Okay, greatest common factor. Now, this is something that you might not know. What do you think is a greatest common factor? If we have a fraction, 36 over 12, so this is an improper fraction and we need to simplify it. So you need to look for a greatest common factor that can divide both of these numbers.
And I definitely know which one is it. You just told me as I know. So
Hmm?
this one is going to be 9 do and then
Are you sure it's 3? Oh, are you sure it's 4?
yeah.
What about 6?
Otherwise, you said 4 is the greatest.
4 was the greatest in the case when we were talking about those three numbers. For every two number, it is not necessary that the same number is going to be the greatest common factor. For every pair of numbers, there are different greatest common factors. Okay?
Okay.
12 times 1, 12, and 12 times 3, 36.
That's what I did. That's what I
No,
did.
you did
At first
9
I did.
over 3.
Yeah, but then I did ouch. Then I did 3-1.
Yeah, so it was two more steps when we didn't use the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor is 12 in this case because it can divide both 36 and 12, right?
Yep.
Improper fraction. What is an improper fraction?
Improper fraction is a fraction with a numerator larger than a denominator.
Yeah. Can you give me an example of improper fraction?
Um which one is the numerator? Which is the
Numerator is
numerator
the top
is
number.
top or bottom? Oh, so that's gonna be that's gonna be 1,432, and then the other one is gonna be 32.
Okay. And how would we
That's
write it?
it.
Like this?
Oh, what did I even say? Oh yeah.
Is this an improper fraction?
Yes.
No.
No, I said 1,000. I said the one this one up here. Yeah, I was gonna put that up there if I could write. I can't write.
Is this an improper fraction?
Yes.
Yeah,
I said this. I said this.
I was just checking. Least common denominator, LCD. We also call it LCM, and we say least common multiple. Well, least common multiple is the more used name, so you must remember least common multiple, LCM. It's okay if you forget the denominator thing, it's okay, but don't forget least common multiple. Now, what do you think is a least common multiple?
One.
In different cases, you have different least common multiples. For example,
The small. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't even know that.
say if you have 2 over 4 and 20 over 8, let us not write 20 over 8, 5 over 8. And I want to make the denominator same. I want a least common multiple of 4 and 8. So which
Four.
number? I'm saying
Four.
multiple.
Oh,
4 doesn't go into 8 times table, but 8 goes in 4 times table, right?
yeah.
So the least common multiple is 8 itself here. We have other common multiple as well. We have 32 common in 4 and 8. We have,
But I'm
okay,
8 years old.
huh?
But I'm 8 years old.
Sorry.
But I'm 8 years old.
Yeah, you are 8 years old. And what the
I'm
point
also.
here is, see, we have a lot of common multiples of 4 and 8. For example, 32, for example, 40. But what do we have to do? We have to look at the least common multiple, the smallest one. So the smallest one is 8 itself, right?
Yeah.
So that is what we are going to take here. And then we will multiply 4 by 2 and 2 by 2.
Okay.
And it will be 4 over 8 and 5 over 8. Now the denominators are same. Got it?
Yeah.
Now,
But why did
an
but why
example.
did the numerator why did the numerator turn into 4?
The numerator turned into 4 because whenever you multiply the denominator with any number, you do the same with with the numerator. If you multiply this by some number, you multiply this as well. If you will not do it, the fraction will change and your answer would be wrong. Just like if you look at 1/2, if you multiply only the denominator by 2, what will happen? It will become 1/4, and that is a completely different fraction. So if you want to change it, if you want to boost this fraction, so
You
you
have
will
to
multiply it by 2 completely, top and bottom, and it would give you 2/4. That is still a half.